OnePlus 6T is in the building. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to get notified of new videos. Hey YouTube, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video. And guess what? I just got my first OnePlus device. This is the OnePlus 6T in midnight black. Shout out to my friend Praneeth for giving me a good deal on this OnePlus 6T because he upgraded to the Google Pixel 3 XL. Let's have a look at the packaging first. 6 on the front, a sleeve over here. We can go ahead and take this guy off. On the side you have the fingerprint scanner showing you that you have the in-display fingerprint scanner, OnePlus branding on this side as well. Same OnePlus community on the back as well. On the box on this side you have OnePlus 6T, on this side you have unlock the speed. Nothing on the bottom over here and nothing on the top over here. On the back you have the color, the capacity, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon. Make sure you guys recycle the box if you throw it in the trash. Alright YouTube, let's go ahead and slide this guy open like so over here. And there it is, OnePlus 6T in the building. Keep it on the side for a moment. Let's have a look at what else we get inside the box over here. So you have an invitation letter over here. Let's go ahead and open this guy. It's a letter from Pete Lau. If you want to go ahead and read it, feel free to pause and read. I'll keep it on the side for now. You have a fast charger in the box over here. 5 volts at 4 amperes, making it a 20-watt fast charger. You have your USB-A to USB-C cable. And you have your headphone dongle over here because OnePlus decided to do away with the headphone jack. Let's go ahead and have a look at what else you get inside the box over here. So this looks like a case from OnePlus. Nice touch from OnePlus to give you a case while you're waiting for aftermarket cases. And you also get the manuals inside over here along with the SIM ejector tool. Let's now get to the star of the show. We have the OnePlus 6T in the building. So you have a sticker on the front signifying that you have an in-display fingerprint scanner, and OnePlus tells you that to maximize the performance of our in-display fingerprint sensor, we recommend using screen protectors from OnePlus and our official partners. We'll go ahead and take this guy off. On the back you have another sticker over here. We can take this guy off as well, and you have your regular IMEI stickers over there. Alright YouTube, let's go ahead and turn this bad boy on. And while we are turning it on, we'll go ahead and have a look at the hardware and how it looks like. So you have USB Type-C on the bottom with your speaker grill, and this I think is the grill for the mic, but +1 to OnePlus for maintaining the symmetry down here. On this side you have your power button and your alert slider. On the top you have your noise cancelling mic. That's about it, no headphone jack. On this side you have the SIM tray and the volume rockers along with the antenna bands. On the back you have a dual camera setup over here. So you're looking at 16 megapixels and 20 megapixels with OIS and a dual LED flash with OnePlus branding on the back. This is the midnight black version over here. Let's go ahead and see if it is a fingerprint magnet or not. So you do see some smudges, but it's not as bad as it would be with the mirror black, I'm assuming. Let me go ahead and give this guy a wipe down. So there you have it, the midnight black with no smudges over here. Let's go ahead and flip this guy over. On the front you have a 6.41 inch display with a teardrop notch, and this is your speaker grill over here. Now I had the Essential phone. It had the same kind of speaker grill and you could not do anything about dust getting in the space over here. We'll see how the OnePlus 6T holds up. As for the aspect ratio, you have 19.5:9 aspect ratio with 402 ppi and the in-display fingerprint scanner. Let me go ahead and skip all these things and then I'll be back. So it wants me to add my face. I'll go ahead and skip this for now because what I'm interested in is the fingerprint scanner, which is next. Wants me to set up a pin. Let me go ahead and do that. Alright YouTube, we're at the fingerprint setup. We'll go ahead and place a finger over here. There. I'm too fast. I am a ninja, I guess. So you do have to be slow with this guy, unlike your fingerprint scanners on the back, which I think are much more faster. this guy tells you too fast, and similar fingerprint detected. So there we have it, successfully added a fingerprint over here. Go ahead and click on next, and now it wants you to let it know which all gestures you want. So we'll go ahead and turn all of these guys on over here. Go ahead, click on next. The screen calibration, which one do you want? You have all these options over here. Go ahead and select default over here. Which font do you want? Do you want the OnePlus Slate or you want the Roboto font? I'll go ahead and keep Roboto over here. Now OnePlus Launcher wants access to my media. Click on allow over here, and there it is, YouTube OnePlus 60 in the building. Let's go ahead, go into settings, scroll down, go ahead, click on about phone. OnePlus 60 in the building. Specs over here, Snapdragon 845, 8GB RAM, 128GB internal storage, no micro SD card, Android version 9.0 Pi out of the box, and Oxygen OS 9.0.5 out of the box as well. These are the contributors or the people who create Oxygen OS over here. Nice touch from OnePlus. Let's go ahead, take the fingerprint scanner for a spin over here. So let me go ahead and turn it on. And so you cannot be as fast as you are on your devices which have fingerprint scanner on the back, because on my Pixel 2 I just do this and it gets unlocked, but over here you have to be a bit patient. It is definitely slower than what we currently have, but this is the first device in the United States with a fingerprint scanner in display, so that is something you have to bear with. And the teardrop notch doesn't look bad at all. It's any day better than that ugly notch you have on the, say, the Xiaomi Poco F1 or the most hated notched phone on planet Earth in the year 2018, the Google Pixel 3 XL. So what are my first impressions of the OnePlus 16 Midnight Black? Well, you do have some smudges, so I will have to either get a skin or a case for this guy, but it does feel premium because you have glass on the back, Gorilla Glass 6 on the front, and you have an aluminum frame, so doesn't get any more premium than this. The headphone jack is missing, but that is an industry trend which I personally don't like, but OnePlus did give you 3700 milliamp hours of batteries. Other than that, my initial impressions of the device are good. I'm impressed by what OnePlus has done over here, but we'll know more as I go ahead and use this guy as a daily driver for, say, a month or 45 days to know more about the OnePlus 60. So that's it for this video, YouTube. Likes, shares and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.